Hello, welcome back to Galvic's YouTube channel. We are a sales tax compliance solution, and we have come up with this new series, Nexus series, where we're going to be talking about different sales tax nexuses in different states. Today, we're discussing Arizona. So, if you are a business who sells in Arizona, basically to the customers in Arizona, then you may be required to collect and remit sales tax, even if you're not physically located there. So, let us get started to understand when you actually need to start this process. Firstly, Sales Tax Nexus is simply put a connection between your state and your business that obligates you to start collecting sales tax from Arizona customers and remitting it to the state of Arizona. So, when do you need to have this? If you have any of these two types of nexuses, one is physical nexus, second one is economic nexus. Now, physical nexus first is basically formed when you have a physical presence in the state of Arizona. You can have a business office there, a warehouse and inventory, or employees working for you, or any remote employees working from home, or any temporary sales activities. All of those things will be considered as physical presence. So if you have any of those, then you will be required to start registering and collecting sales tax. So if you don't have this, then you may register and collect sales tax in Arizona based on your economic nexus, which is your sales volume and the number of transactions over a specific period of time. So for Arizona, you must register and collect sales tax in the state of Arizona if during the current or previous calendar year your business meets the following threshold. One is $100,000 of sales threshold, and a transaction threshold is not very specified. So if you have this limit crossed, then you may be required to start collecting sales tax. But what exactly is calculated towards this $100,000? Now, this is where a lot of businesses get confused and indirectly start making mistakes in their sales tax collection. So, to avoid that, you ask yourself three important questions. First one, are marketplace sales excluded from economic threshold in Arizona? So, in case your sales are in third party platforms like Amazon, Etsy, Walmart Marketplace, or eBay, does that still count as your sales for this threshold calculation? The answer is no, which means that yes, it is excluded. These sales are not calculated for your economic nexus threshold. Now, the next one is, are wholesale or resale transactions excluded from the economic threshold? Now, the answer is no, they are not excluded. They are, in fact, included in your economic threshold calculations. So, which means that even if they have resale certificates, you may need to still calculate these in your sales volume because they are going to be considered by the state. But make sure that you have all the necessary documentation. Now, the next question is, are non taxable or exempt sales excluded from economic threshold calculation? Now, the answer again is no. Non taxable sales are also included in Nexus threshold calculation in Arizona. So, even if they are non taxable, they will still be counted for your economic nexus threshold. After all of these calculations, if you still cross the $100,000 threshold, then you will be required to registering for sales tax certificate in the state of Arizona through the AZ Taxes portal. If you need guidance on this, check out our tutorials on the YouTube page of Galvex, where you have visual walkthroughs for many states, including Arizona, which is upcoming. And you can get help from that, or you could reach out to us. We are an end-to-end sales tax compliance solution. We do this for you, and also help you figure out your nexus. A very With just a step, you will know where you have nexus and where you're approaching nexus through all of your sales channels, and of course help you get registered and file returns. So if you need any help with that and want to know who we are, what we do, check us out down below at calvix.com, and comment and share this video if it was useful to you, and let us know what more kind of content you'd like to see. And if you have any question about Arizona or any other state in the US with reference to sales tax, then we'll be here to help you. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you again. Bye bye.